Today we are replacing the manual transmission fluid on a Mazda 3 2010. You always start by removing the filler plug, and only after that you remove the drain plug. Let it drain for a while and clean the plug and install a new washer. This vehicle takes around 2.9 liters of 75W80 oil. I got one of these pumps from Repco. Some bottles come with a pump, but I don't think they are good enough for this job. So I recommend you to get one of these pumps. It will make your life easier. And then you just start pumping. It takes a lot of time. Once you see that the oil is coming off from the hole of the transmission, it's time to stop. It means that it has reached the maximum level, and now it's time to install the plug again, replace the washer as well, and as well clean it, of course, and torque it. And that's basically everything. It is a really easy job. It will take around 30 minutes. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.